Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the candy-corded stick vacuum cleaner, a versatile cleaning tool designed to make your daily chores more efficient and less of a hassle. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines power, convenience, and ease of use, then this might just be the one you've been waiting for. But does it live up to the promises? Let's see if it really delivers when it comes to the nuts and bolts of home cleaning. The Candy Stick Vacuum Cleaner is designed with a 3-in-1 function that adapts to multiple cleaning situations. Whether you're tackling hard floors, ceramic tiles, or even staircases, this model is built to handle various tasks with ease. The standout feature here is its strong suction power, which claims to make quick work of dirt and dust. In real-world terms, this means you're getting a vacuum that can effectively pull up debris from a variety of surfaces without needing to make multiple passes. With a 0.8-liter dust cup capacity, this vacuum allows for fewer trips to the trash can. That's especially helpful during extended cleaning sessions. The one-click dust disposal system is another notable convenience, allowing you to empty the dust cup without getting your hands dirty. If you're someone who dreads dealing with dusty bins, this feature is a welcome touch. Weighing in at under 3.7 pounds, this stick vacuum is light enough for easy maneuvering around your home. The low weight makes it great for long cleaning sessions, as it won't cause strain or fatigue. The compact design also means it's easy to store, taking up minimal space in your closet or utility room. Now let's talk about real-world performance. I gave this vacuum a run for its money on different surfaces, starting with hard floors and ceramic tiles. The suction power doesn't disappoint here. It easily picks up dust, crumbs, and even fine dirt, leaving your floors spotless. Moving to carpets and rugs, the vacuum still holds its ground. While it isn't as deep cleaning as some higher-end models, it does a solid job on light to medium carpets, picking up dirt without clogging the suction. It's also quiet enough that it won't disturb the household while you clean, though it's not completely silent. The included HEPA filter is a great addition, especially for allergy sufferers. It traps fine dust and allergens, making it suitable for homes where asthma or sensitivities are a concern. However, it's important to remember that this is a corded model, so while it provides continuous power, you'll need to be mindful of the cord length and available outlets. Assembly is a breeze. There's no complicated setup here. You can go from box to cleaning in no time. The attachments that come with the vacuum are perfect for getting into tight spots, especially around furniture, along edges, or on stairs. It's not just a one-trick pony. The vacuum offers real versatility, transitioning from a stick vacuum to a handheld model with ease. One thing worth noting is that while it's good for regular cleaning if you have pets, you might find it struggles a little with larger pet hair clusters. It does a decent job with pet hair on hard floors, but can leave some strands behind on thicker carpets. For most users, though, it's more than adequate for a day-to-day clean. In terms of maintenance, the Candy Stick vacuum is relatively low maintenance. The dust cup is easy to empty, and the HEPA filter can be cleaned or replaced as needed. That said, for some people, the process of cleaning the filter may feel a bit tedious, but that's a common feature across many vacuums in this price range. When we look at the overall value for money, the Candy Stick vacuum is positioned quite well. Its performance on hard floors and its lightweight, easy-to-use design make it a great choice for small to medium-sized homes. If you have a larger home or need to clean heavy carpets regularly, there are other models that might serve you better. But for most people, this vacuum gets the job done without breaking the bank. Let's quickly compare it to a few other models in the same price range. If you're looking at the Black Decker corded stick vacuum, you'll find a similar performance on hard floors. But the Candy model has a slight edge when it comes to its one-click dust disposal and lighter weight. On the flip side, Black + Decker's vacuum tends to have a bit more suction power on carpets, but it's also a bit heavier, which may not be ideal for extended use. In terms of build quality, the Candy vacuum feels solid for its price point. The plastics are durable enough for regular use, and the connections and attachments snap into place without any fuss. The lightweight design doesn't feel flimsy, though you'll want to avoid heavy-duty cleaning tasks that could stress the motor over time. As for maintenance, the filter is easy enough to clean, though you'll need to be diligent about clearing the brush roll if you have long hair or pet fur. The dust cup empties with ease, and there are no overly complicated parts that would cause long-term frustration. In terms of longevity, while there's limited long-term data on this specific model, the build quality and ease of maintenance suggest that it will hold up well with proper care. Given its brand reputation and the materials used, this is a vacuum designed for everyday users who want consistent performance without the need for high-end features that might go to waste. If you do run into any issues, Candy's customer support has a decent reputation, and the vacuum does come with a warranty, though I didn't personally need to reach out to them. Wrapping things up, the Candy Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a solid choice for those looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum that does the job without all the frills. It's best suited for people with hard floors, smaller homes, or those who need a versatile cleaning tool that can tackle multiple surfaces. While it doesn't have the deepest suction power for thick carpets or the ability to handle large amounts of pet hair, it's a great option for regular, light cleaning. If you're on a budget and need something reliable, this vacuum fits the bill. Thanks for watching. The link to get the Candy vacuum is in the comments box below. If you have any questions or thoughts about this vacuum, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your vacuum game strong. Goodbye till next time.